What's up, you manga collectors? If you've been living underneath a rock recently, we have a brand new publishing company coming to the English market of Manga Publishers, which is super exciting, and they're bringing with some heavy hitters. They're bringing Baki the Grappler, Smiley, and they're now also bringing Sun and Ken Rock to English print for the first time, which is insane. They're just getting crazy series and they're just banging them out, and I'm really excited for this publishing company. Make sure you guys support them because we don't want them to just leave out of nowhere. We want them to stay because they're bringing some crazy good series, and they have some cool things about them also. One of the main reasons I'm really excited for Kodama Tales is they're bringing dust jackets to English manga volumes finally, after so long of just having these paperbacks. We are finally getting actual dust jackets on the paperbacks themselves, which I'm so excited for. But if you haven't already, go follow Kodama Tales here on TikTok and Twitter, then just go show them support because we need them to stick around because they're a really cool company so far. And make sure you guys like and subscribe. Bye!